I know you're all holding your breath, so let's just get the last step out of the way here. All we have to do now is we have to say customer from database, because now we're just going to add the remaining addresses from the updated one. We're going to add these guys, the address from here, to these guys, the addresses inside the customer database. So it's very simple. We can just do an add range. And again, I'm trying to show you guys as many methods as possible to do these lessons right here, so you guys have some things to pick from. There's the add range if you want to use that. And I just go in and I add the entire range of customer addresses right here from their updated. So the last thing I'm doing is I'm saying grab the old one right here, doink, copy that guy and paste them in this one before you actually do the save changes. And then you'll end up with the combined guy to actually save the changes right here. Okay, that was kind of the goal. So that was the last step. Now we have the combined guy. He's put inside the addresses, add range. Let's see if it works. Whee! So here we have the customer again. He has 1 and 3. Let's try and go in and change things like we did before and actually give him 1 and 2 and do the send here. And let's see what happens. Now we have 1 and 2. And notice I didn't get an error. So let's try and do 1 and 3, do a send, no error. Let's do 1, 2, and 3, do a send, no error. And notice if I start actually getting the customer back with 1, 2, and 3 like now, he'll also get the information back. So you know what? You know what? You just made a freaking many-to-many relation all the way down through the system. And that's not an easy thing to do. So just give yourself a pat. This is pretty complex stuff, no matter what system you're using. And I know there are solutions out there that can solve this a lot easier, but doing this yourself is a major lesson for a software developer. So do this, work with this, and now not only can you do many-to-many, but you can solve any problem you will have with a one-to-many relation as well, because this is seriously the hardest thing you'll do inside a relational database. That's, in my mind, the many-to-many relation. So I hope you guys understood this. If not, try and work a bit with it. But now you guys kind of figured out how to combine things and make a many-to-many relation, get data back. It all runs, it all works. Next step, let's do one more thing, and that is actually connect to a real database on Azure. See you next time.